qualifiers, to every wristband, now to Legend Island. What a journey! That gold wristband isn't just the prize. It's a new beginning. So, see you there. I've heard some interesting rumors about who will be joining us on the track.
We're about to be legends, eh? What a feeling. We've reached the top, and there's still so much more waiting for us over on Legend Island.
Hey, looking forward to your victory lap? Your gold wristbands are waiting for you on Legend Island. Any event we threw at you, you tackled head on, and honestly, I never had any doubt you'd make it this far.
Being a part of the festival, here, we won't forget it anytime soon.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Now, come on. We don't want to keep anyone waiting.
Those jets?
No, they are racing us.
This has been quite the journey, you two. I owe you both. Big time.
Don't mention it. Just enjoy the moment.
You worked hard for this.
There they go now! The barriers are raised as they are granted access to the exclusive Legend Island.
Welcome to Legend Island, a playground for the best Horizon has to offer.
How does that feel? Gold suits you. Now, moving straight on, as I'm sure that will take a while to hit home, but on Legend Island, we raise the stakes with events only available to the best Horizon drivers.
I give you Legend Island. More events, more races, more Horizon. Enjoy it. The festival doesn't stop once you reach Legend status. Really, you're only just getting started. The festival playlist is brimming with fresh, ever-changing events and exclusive rewards.